Fit for a king. The 1989 factory original Prince of Wales specification Vantage Volante, we're delighted to present for sale, is one of 22 examples commissioned to the same outline specifications as Vantage Volante chassis number 15581, specified by and built for His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales in 1987. Finished in Buckingham Green with Magnolia hides pipe dark green with matching dark green mohair type fabric roof. This particular factory-built POW specification Vantage Volante was delivered when new by Nicholas Mee to its first Midlands-based owner in March 1989. Specified with 5-speed manual transmission and uniquely for the model, finished in Suffolk Red with Magnolia hide and hood. Passing through one other owner between 2006 and 11. The car was purchased by a London-based collector who commissioned the exterior of the car to be repainted in its current Aston Martin Buckingham Green colour and a new convertible hood tailored in matching dark green. Changing hands in 2017 via Nicholas Mee and Company, and at the request of the new owner, the engine was removed, fully rebuilt and upgraded to 7-litre 500 brake horsepower specifications by renowned Aston Martin engineers R.S. Williams Limited. With the upgraded engine reinstalled, a new Aston Martin AP braking system and suspension package, including an optional rear anti-roll bar, were fitted, allowing the additional performance from the 7-litre engine to be fully and safely deployed. The highly effective upgrades all being carried out at 22,800 miles. The car has now covered just 600 additional miles since the transformative works were completed. The total mileage now being just 23,500 miles from new. A comprehensive record of servicing, maintenance and the upgrades, as fitted by Aston Martin agents and renowned Aston Martin specialists, is well detailed in the accompanying history file, including invoices, photographs, is well detailed, and in the documentation contained within the vehicle's history file included with the car. Combining the virtues of the relatively discreet standard V8 Volante body styling with lightly reprofiled wheel arches to accommodate 16-inch road wheels and tyres, the high-performance Vantage X-Pack engine option, Vantage suspension and brakes, the POW Volantes instantly attracted collector car status in period and remain a highly sought-after icon of the marque. Known to Nicholas Mee from new, we are delighted to bring to market this rare and highly accomplished example, one of just 22 commissioned, in a superb condition with low mileage and fully prepared for its next custodian to enjoy. This superb car is available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.